guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a phone rotation flip thing on VideoStar. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So to begin with, you're already going to want to have your clipped, and then press on new and then multi-layer. And then for layer 1, if you want there to be a certain background, you're going to import that into layer 1. But if you just want a solid color, you are going to import a 3D object. So now once you're here, there are a lot of devices, like device 3D objects you can choose from. And you can pick any one of these, but for this video, I'm going to go with this option. Now press on 2 and then import the video that you'd like to go in the phone. Now press import and then press add mask. And then make sure that you're under the shape section and then press these 3 lines and scroll all the way to the bottom. And then there are these device masks. So because I have the iPhone, I'm going to use this one right here. But if you chose like the iPad or the older versions of the iPhone, you choose those ones. Now press done. Now press on layer 2 and then press on edit keyframes. And then press options and then show other layers and then select layer 1 and then drag this size down until it matches the iPhone screen. Now press back. Now press on this icon right here and then press add master and then select layers 1 and 2. Now to make the 3D flip, we're going to go down here and choose one of these options. You can even choose both of them if you want to, but for this video I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to rotate it to be facing the left. Now I'm going to go to the very end of the clip and make it rotate to the right. Now I'm going to press on this straight line, press custom, and then just make your graph look like mine. Okay, so once you have this, press done. Now press back and then press create. Now press on done, then press new and then transform, and then make sure you select VS motion blur. If you press edit, you can adjust the settings. These are mine, so you can adjust them to that if you'd like. Now press create and just wait for it to load. Okay, now press done. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!